Ever heard the phrase, AI is learning? It's everywhere. We say it like it's magic, like some invisible force just flips a switch and suddenly a machine knows everything. But it's not magic, and it's definitely not instant. The truth is, AI learns in a surprisingly familiar way. It learns just like you do. Through experience, repetition, and feedback. Think about it. When you learn to ride a bike, you don't just read a manual and instantly balance perfectly. You get on, you wobble, you might even fall a few times. Each time, your brain is processing what happened. Too much lean to the left? Got it. Push the pedal too hard? Noted. You're gathering data from your own experience. Your brain remembers what worked and, just as importantly, what didn't. That entire process, the trial, the error, the adjustment, that's learning. AI does the exact same thing, but its world is made of data. Instead of feelings of success or the sting of a scraped knee, it uses pure, cold information. We feed it thousands, sometimes millions or even billions of examples. Let's say we want an AI to recognize a cat in a photo. We don't just show it one picture of a cat. We show it pictures of fluffy cats, hairless cats, cats sitting, cats jumping, cats in the dark, cats in the sun. For each one, we tell it, this is a cat. Then we show it a picture of a dog and say, this is not a cat. The eye starts by making guesses. It looks for patterns in the pixels. Maybe it notices that things with pointy ears and whiskers are often labeled cat, so it makes a rule, a hypothesis. Then we test it. We give it a new picture and ask, is this a cat? It makes its best guess based on the patterns it has found. If it's right, we confirm it. This reinforces the pattern it learned. If it's wrong, we correct it. This correction is crucial. The AI then adjusts its internal rules. Okay, it thinks. So not everything with pointy ears is a cat. Let me refine my understanding. It goes back and tweaks its calculations over and over and over again, millions of times a second. This entire cycle of guessing, checking, and adjusting is what we call machine learning. It's the engine that drives AI. It's like training your own mind to recognize the faces of your friends. You've seen them in different lighting, with different hairstyles, making different expressions. After seeing them enough, you can spot them in a crowd instantly. But while you might know a few hundred, maybe a few thousand faces, an AI can be trained on a dataset of billions. Think about a pro basketball player trying to perfect their jump shot. They don't just shoot once. They shoot thousands of times. Each shot provides feedback. Was the arc right? Was the release smooth? Was the follow-through correct? They practice and adjust until the motion becomes second nature. AI needs data just like that player needs practice. It needs massive amounts of data to make a perfect prediction or a flawless decision. But here's the key difference, and it's a big one. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't get bored. It doesn't need to sleep. It doesn't forget the lessons from its 10 millionth attempt. It just keeps learning, refining, and improving endlessly. That's why it can achieve superhuman performance in specific tasks, from playing chess to diagnosing diseases from medical scans. It has an infinite capacity for practice. And this is the part that often gets lost in the hype. There's a profound truth that nobody really talks about. For all its power, AI is missing something fundamental. It can't decide what's meaningful. It has no sense of purpose. It can identify a sad face in a photo with 99.9% accuracy, but it can't feel empathy. It can compose music that sounds like Batch, but it can't feel the awe or the emotion that Batch poured into his work. AI needs you for that. It needs your direction, your intention. It needs your human filter to tell it what matters. AI can process the entire world's information in a heartbeat, but only you can give that information a purpose. You decide what problems are worth solving. You decide what creative vision is worth pursuing. You provide the why. So that's how AI learns. It's a powerful partnership. The machine provides the tireless computation, the pattern recognition at an unimaginable scale. You provide the context, the values, the meaning. When we bring these two things together, that's when something truly incredible happens. We don't just get smarter machines. We evolve. Together, that's how we automate progress. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our world. See you in the next one.